Friends, last we complete chapter number 3rd. Now here we start a new chapter, chapter number 4, determinants. So remember this here, determinants. Weightage of this chapter 7. Remember this, what is determinant? Friends, we know that about matrix. For a square matrix a number associated with this square matrix is called the determinants. Number may be real or complex. Like as for a matrix, square matrix of order 2, A, B, C, D, a number which is real or complex number associated with this number matrix is called the determinant of A. And determinant of A is denoted by determinant of A. In a symbolical form, determinant of A is equal to A, B, C, D. Remember this. This is one type of a real or complex number. And how we get this real or complex number? Remember this. This is a 2 cross 2 order determinants we achieve from this 2 cross 2 order matrix. And the value of this is equal to taking product of this principal diagonal entries A into D and subtract product of leading diagonal entries B into C. So AD minus BC gives value of this matrix, and this value is called the determinant of A. Here, that is a determinant of a given matrix is a one type of a value of a given matrix. So remember this definition of determinants. Determinant is a one type of a function f m to k, where m is a set of square matrix and k is a set of real number, Here number may be real or a complex. Remember this, complex number. Clear? Then f a is equal to small k, where a belongs to m, that is A is any square matrix and k belongs to small k belongs to k. K is any real number or complex number. This type of function is called a determinant. That is a number, real number or complex number associated with a square matrix is called a determinants. Remember this. Clear? Now here we discuss about a square matrix of order 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Think how to get determinants from given 3 cross 3 square matrix. Determinant of this is equal to, change into determinant form, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Clear this? Now here we get value of this determinant. Using first row, we get value of this determinants. This is equal to, here A11 lies in a first row and first column, so we multiplying by -1 raised to 1 plus 1, first row first column, into A11. Clear? Now A11 lies in a first row and first column, so remove this row and column. Now using this remaining entries of this determinants, get a determinant of order 2, A22, A23, A32, A33, plus, now second entries, remember this A12. A12 lies in a first row and the second column, so multiplying by -1 raised to 1 plus 2 into A12 into determinants obtained by removing this row and column, A21, A23, A31, A33, A31, A33. Clear this? Plus, for last number, A12 of first row, A12 lies in a first row and a third column, so -1 raised to first row, that is plus 1, 1 plus third column, that is plus 3. So -1 raised to 1 plus 3 into, remove this row and column, using remaining entry, get determinants A21, A22, A31, A32, so is equal to, now -1 raised to 2 becomes plus 2 into A11 into, value of this is equal to, we know that A22, A33 minus A32 into A23. Clear? -1 raised to 1 plus 2, that is 3. -1 raised to 3 is equal to minus into A12 into, value of this determinants is equal to A21, A33 minus A31, A23. Clear? Plus, -1 raised to 4 is equal to plus 1 into, here last A12 given, so A12 into A21, A32 minus A31 into A22. Clear? So think how to get value of this 3 cross 3 matrix. Similarly, using any row, second row or third row or any column, we get the value of this matrix, that is a determinants. Now using the second column, we get the value of this matrix. So first change into determinant of A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now using the first column, get a value. Here A11 lies in a first row and first column, so multiplying by -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into A11 into, remove this row and a column, using remaining entries, get a determinant of 2 cross 2, A22, A23, A32, A33. Clear this? 2 cross 2, that is a second order. Plus, here A21 lies in a second row first column. So minus 1 raised to second row first column into here A21 into remove this row and a column using the remaining entries A12, A13, A12, A13, A32, A33 get a second order determinants plus now last entries of first column A31 lies in a third row and a first column. So minus 1 raised to third row and the first column into A31 into now using remaining entries other than this row and the column, that is the third row and third column, get this determinants using remaining entry A12, A13, then A22, A23 and minus 1 raised to 2 become plus into A11. So A11 into value of this plus minus 1 raised to 3 become plus, minus 1 raised to 3 become minus into A21 into value of this minus 1 raised to 4 become plus into A31 into value of this determinants. Clear? You know that how to get the value of this second order determinants. Product of these two minus product of these two, same product of these two minus product of these two, and for last product of these two minus product of these two. Clear? So using any columns or any row we get the value of this third order determinants. Now here we solve question of exercise 4.1. Now here we solve question of exercise 4.1. Question number 1 given. Evaluate the determinant in exercise 1 to 2. Number 1, 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. Evaluate these determinants. We know that how to get the value of second order determinants. Product of these two, 2 into minus 1, minus product of these two, minus 5 into 4. Clear? So is equal to minus 2, minus minus become plus, 20 is equal to 18. Number 2, first cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta cos theta. So is equal to, you know that how to solve this equation, that is get the value of a second order determinants. Product of these two, cos theta minus minus plus sin theta, and this is identity, value is 1. Similarly in a second of a second question, determinant x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 is equal to product of these two, x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 minus product of these two, x plus 1 into x minus 1. So is equal to, we know that x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x raised to 3 plus 1 raised to 3 minus product of these two is equal to x square minus 1 square is equal to minus x square minus minus plus 1. After taking the minus inside we get this result. So is equal to x raised to 3 minus x square, 1 plus 1 become 2. So this becomes value of the given determinants. Clear? Now question number 3. For a matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, show that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of A. First we get 2 into A. 2 into A is equal to 2 into matrix 1, 2, 4, 2, and we know that scalar product 2 into this matrix is equal to multiply each entries of this matrix by 2. So 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 8 and 4. Now get a determinant of this matrix 2 into A is equal to determinants 2, 4, 8, 4. So is equal to, now expand this determinants 2 into 4 8 minus 8 into 4 32. So is equal to become minus 24. Take result number 1. Now get a 4 into determinant of A is equal to 4 into determinant of A is equal to, we know that 1, 2, 4, 2. Clear? So is equal to 4 into, expand this determinants, we get value 1 into 2 2 minus 4 into 2 8. So is equal to 4 into, here become minus 6. So is equal to minus 24. Take result number 2. Therefore by 1 and 2, determinant of 2 into A is equal to determinant 4 into determinant of A. Clear? Now question number 4. For a third order matrix A is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4, show that determinant of 3 into A is equal to 27 into determinant of A. First we get 3 into A. 3 into A is equal to 3 into matrix A is a 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4. So is equal to 3 take inside, we get a matrix 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 3 into 4 becomes a 12. Clear this? So change into determinant form. So determinant of 3 into A is equal to determinant of this 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. Clear? So is equal to, here 3 take common from first row, 3 take common from second row, and 3 take common from third row. We get determinants 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 and 0, 0, 4, and this is a determinant of A, and 3 into 3 into 3 becomes 27 into A. Clear this? Or splinter this or expand this and get value of this determinant, then get 27 into value of determinants and compare both result. We get a result 3 into A, determinant of this is equal to 27 into determinant of A. Clear? Now question number 5. Evaluate determinants. Number 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0. You know that how to evaluate these determinants. Here second row contain a 2 0. So using this second row, we get the value of this determinants. Here 0 lies first 0, 0 lies in this second row, that is minus 1 raised to 2, and the first column plus 1 into 0 into determinants obtained by removing this row and a column. We get minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, 0. Using remaining terms, removing this row and column, we get a determinants. Clear? Plus, now this 0 lies in a second row and the second column, that is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into 0 into remove this row and column and write remaining entries in this determinant form, 3 minus 2 3 0. Clear this? Plus minus 1 lies in this second row and the third column. So minus 1 raised to second row, that is plus 2 and the third column plus 3. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3. Clear this? Second row, third column. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into minus 1 into remove this row and the column contain a minus 1. We have determinant 3 minus 1, 3 minus 5. Clear this? So remember this, how to get the value of this third order determinants. 0 into any numbers become 0. 0 into this numbers is also become 0. Clear this? And minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 become minus 1 raised to 5. Minus 1 raised to 5 is equal to minus 1 into minus. So minus minus become plus 1 into value of this is equal to 3 into minus 5 becomes minus 15 minus product of these two is equal to minus 3. So is equal to minus 15 minus minus plus 3 is equal to minus 12. So value of this determinants is equal to minus 12. Similarly, applying same method, we evaluate this third order determinants 3 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. Think how to get the value of this determinants. I give a hint how to solve this. Minus 1 raised to using first row. Minus 3 lies in a first row and the first column. So minus 1 here. I give hint how to solve this question. Here we use the first row. 3 lies in a first row and first column. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into remove this row and column. We get determinants 1 minus 2 3 1. Now for minus 4 lies in a first row and a second column. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into remove this row and column. So 1 minus 2 2 1 plus here minus 1 raised to for 5 lies in a first row and third column. So first row and the third column. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into this, remove this row and column. We get 1 1 1 2 3. Clear this? And get the value of this second order determinant. Then simplify this and get value of this third order determinants. Similarly, number third and fourth complete yourself. Now question number 6. If A is equal to matrix of a 3 cross 3, 1, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 3, and 5, 4, minus 9, find the determinant of A. You know that how to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to 1, 1, minus 2, 2, 1, minus 3, 5, 4, minus 9. Clear? So is equal to, using first row, we get the value of this. So here 1 lies in a first row and first column. So minus 1 is to 1 plus 1 into 1 into, remove this row and column. So remaining entries write in a determinant form, 1 minus 3, 4 minus 9 plus minus 1 is to, for 1 lies in first row and second column. So 1 plus 2 into 1 into this determinants. Remember this, removing this row and column, we get this here 1. So remove this row and a column, 2 minus 3, 4, 5 minus 9 plus minus 1 dash 2. Here minus 2 lies in this first row and the third column. So first row, third column into minus 2 into determinants, removing this row and column, we get 2, 1, 5, 4. Now get the value of each term. Minus 1 dash 2, 2 become plus, product of these two minus 9, minus product of these two becomes 12. Here minus 1 is to 3 become minus 1 into product of these two becomes minus 18, minus product of these two becomes 15, minus, clear, plus minus 1 raised to 4 become plus into minus 2, product of these two become 8, minus product of these two become 5. Now simplify this. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Here minus 15, minus minus plus 15, minus 18 plus 15 become minus 3, and this become minus minus plus 3. Here 8 minus 5 become 3 into minus 2 become minus 6. So is equal to 0. Clear? Now question number 7. Find the value of x if determinant 2, 4, 5, 1 is equal to determinant 2x, 4, 6, x. First we get the value of both determinants. 2 into 1 is equal to 2, minus 5 into 4 become 20 is equal to 2x into x become 2x square, minus 6 into 4, 24. Clear? Therefore 24 take this side. So here we get a 2x square is equal to here minus 18 plus 24. Clear? Therefore 2x square is equal to here 24 plus minus 18 becomes a plus 6. Therefore x square is equal to 3. So value of x is equal to plus or minus root of 3. Clear? So value of x. Similarly, in a third, two, 3, 4, 5 is equal to x3 to x 5. Get value of x. Just try to solve this question yourself. Question number 8. same question, if x to 18x is equal to 6 to 18 6, then x is equal to blank. Solve this yourself. In the next lecture we discuss about the properties of determinants.